Welcome back to ClearTask. If you are dealing with a Microsoft Word document that has a stubborn watermark, you are in the right place. Today, I am going to show you two reliable methods to completely remove any watermark from your pages. First, let's try the standard approach. Open your document and navigate to the Design tab on the top ribbon. Look towards the right side and click on Watermark. At the bottom of the drop-down menu, click Remove Watermark. For most documents, this will instantly clear the page. However, sometimes that button doesn't work. If your watermark is still sitting there, it means the image or text is anchored inside the document's header. To fix this, simply double-click the empty space at the very top of your page. This opens the header and footer view. If you prefer using the menu, you can also go to the Insert tab, click Header, and select Edit Header. Now hover your mouse over the watermark and click to select it. You will see grab handles appear around the edge. Press the Delete key on your keyboard and the watermark is gone. To return to normal editing, just double-click anywhere in the main body of your document, or click Close Header and Footer. Your document is now perfectly clean and ready to go. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more quick, no-nonsense tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.